never mess with a random. Tryna take my mind, any phantom. Baby, back up where your manners. She wanna take my heart for the ransom, but you can still tell me that I'm handsome. My mind been fatiguing lately. You're a risk for my mental safety.
Red eye back to LA. We gon' get this money either way. Please don't hit my number, you ain't saved. Now this song make you feel away. Trippin' to the 6 and I'm hanging with a 10, yeah. Man, you can't attend, we ain't good friends, nah. I just hit the city juice, so we celebrated. Finally paid off hard work, dedication. I'm not one for the taking. It is what it is, I'm just saying. No more advice, I gotta get this flight, catch up.
Red eye back to Atlanta. Shawty wanna lower my standards. I can never mess with a random. Tryna take my mind, any phantom. Baby, back up where your manners. She wanna take my heart for the ransom, but you can still tell me that I'm handsome. My mind been fatiguing lately. You're a risk for my mental safety.
I don't want the keys to your heart. Acting like I kept you in the dark. You knew that this was going right off from the start. Now you never wanna be apart. You stress me out. The type of energy I don't need around me. Cop the red eye and I'm dipping. How about you take what you've been dishing out? Yeah, I'm not one for the taking. It is what it is, I'm just saying. No more invites, I gotta get this flight, catch a
red eye back to Atlanta. Shawty wanna lower my standards. I can never mess with a random. Tryna take my mind, any phantom. Baby, back up where your manners. She wanna take my heart for the ransom, but you can still tell me that I'm handsome. My mind been fatiguing lately. You're a risk for my mental safety. Red eye back to Atlanta. Shawty wanna lower my standards. I can never mess with a random. Tryna take my mind, any phantom. Baby, back up where your manners. She wanna take my heart for the ransom, but you can still tell me that I'm handsome. My mind been fatiguing lately. You're a risk for my mental safety.
Red eye back to LA. We gon' get this money either way. Please don't hit my number, you ain't saved. Now this song make you feel away.
Yeah, just fallen here, man. Our cashew. You saw the number? We have bought that, like some chicken burger. These are burgers. We have burgers here, so it's really tasty. So we will taste it, and you're gonna see how it looks. So we have here, and we also have another combo here. The mix. You see this one? This kind of chicken. Mike will tell you what it is. And we bought some sauce. This is chili sauce. And we have this one is juice. Kind of juice is orange juice, and this one is apple juice. Kind of apple juice. So we're gonna try. We're gonna see if they're the same. Then
you have chips.
Yeah, have chips. They call them French fries, chips. Like they look crazy, you know. So we're gonna try them, and we're gonna see if there's difference with other brands like KFC and Burger King, and if they are the same like the previous McDonald's we had. But this is the new McDonald's. It's called Vkusno и tochka. Okay. Welcome, man.
Crunchy?
Yeah?
Is it tasty? Is it?
Yeah, man. I think it's tasty. It's just the same thing we had, like, but now the packet is different. The packet is white. Yeah, we just have the packet is white. But before we used to have red and yellow.
Okay.
And also, they don't have the trademark on this. They have a trademark on this. Yeah, that's their sign. You know, their sign is yellow and purple.
Okay.
But we used to have something yellow, big M yellow. Man, you need to try some here.
Wow. This is the burger.
That's your burger, man.
Guys, come join me. This is the burger. Now McDonald's is back. This is Russian McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wish you guys can have a taste of it, but just join me in faith.
Can
This
you
is
bite
so-
it? Oh man.
This is very delicious.
Yeah.
Very delicious.
What's the difference between this one and the last one?
I think they're almost the same. Almost the same with McDonald's, with the McDonald's, yeah. Because actually they copied McDonald's. They just want people to have a taste of McDonald's again in Russia, and that is why this is coming back.
Yeah.
So guys, join me, and everything here is courtesy of Love It Talk. Please follow Love It Talk on YouTube to have amazing videos. So I just decided to hang out with my boss. Come join me.
Man, I'm telling you, enjoyment will kill us. So we have come here to try this, and it's really cool. You know, people always say, okay, let's see. So this one is one of the changes that is taking place in Russia now at this particular moment, because Russia is on its own. So we are trying to find where is the change and where is the life. Will we have the life we had before? Because they kicked our asses. I never tried this one before, but today it seems great.
Pineapple.
What's that?
Pineapple.
Pineapple?
Want to taste? Pineapple. Very nice.
Pineapple?
Yeah. You like pineapple?
I never knew.
You want us to change?
No, I never knew. I never knew we had pineapple.
That's apple, right?
Yeah,
This is pineapple.
yeah. I never knew we had pineapple there. But you know in a video, man. Huh?
Just go on.
So generally, I had my chips too. So I had my chips too. Look at the chips like this. So it's just about eating, you know.
Guys, Moscow has been so interesting. Ups and downs, schooling, the education, work. Work has been crazy. You have to go to work to make money. We are Africans, we need to make money. And this is just the best time to chill in Russia. During the summer, it's warm. During winter, we can't try this outside. Yeah. So
Don't try this at home in the winter.
McDonald's left, but Russia created another McDonald's. This is interesting.
Yeah, actually, there's no difference. The thing is, the only name change.
Just name change.
Yeah. So they just removed McDonald's at M and put tochka. And that's all. So if you think this one is different, there's difference. No difference. Just chicken, but it's full of flour and whatever. So if you eat this one too much, you need more exercise. So it's really crazy. You wanna try?
Okay.
Sauce is just the same. So there's nothing has changed so far. Nothing has changed concerning this sauce. So I'm gonna show you. So we use sauce. I use sauce. This one is chili sauce. Understand? So in chili sauce, we have this. So you see this? Maybe let me try this one with chili sauce, and if it's gonna be okay. Let's see.
Very nice, right?
Yeah. Wanna try?
Okay.
Okay, so get to know that this video was shot by iPhone, and always come by and try to watch more of these videos. You understand? This is really dope, man. I'm telling you, you can't see it, so you can't know. If you wanna try, you have to try this. Okay, it's cold. I like it cold because it's summer, and they also have another chicken legs, you know, the chicken thighs, something like this. This one is also in KFC. So you eat KFC, you eat Burger King, all of them, they're just the same. It's only that they use different ingredients and the brand KFC. Yeah. Man, don't eat too much because you'll be your best.
So guys, if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, click the post notification button, and always come back to watch this video. Great content, love it all, great YouTuber. Just hanging out with him, my boss.
Welcome to Moscow, man.